Let's start with a simple truth most people don't want to hear. Making money online in 2026 is not about luck, followers, or fancy setups. It starts with something you already have: your experience, your skills, your mistakes. Hi, I am Imran, instructor of finance courses and data analyst. See, every successful online income stream begins when someone asks you, "Hey, how did you do that?" That question is money knocking on your door. Most people ignore it. Others package the answer and get paid. And no, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. In the past, people traded hours for money. Work more, earn more. But that model is broken. In 2026, wealth comes from assets, not hours. Let me show you how. 1. Selling digital products. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2026. You create something once and sell it again and again. Think PDFs, checklists, templates, or toolkits that solve one clear problem. For example, if people always ask you the same question, turn that answer into a download. Price it low enough for an impulse buy. Revenue potential, $9 to $49 per product sold. You help people. The product works while you sleep. 2. Becoming an accountability buddy. Here's something surprising. People don't pay for information, they pay for follow-through. As an accountability buddy, your job is simple. Daily check-ins, weekly calls, or voice notes that keep people on track. You don't need to teach, you just keep them moving. Revenue potential, $50 to $500 per month per client. Low stress, high trust, recurring income. 3. Creating and selling templates. If you've ever built a process that works, others want it. Email templates, content calendars, business frameworks. People don't want to figure things out. They want shortcuts. Revenue potential, $17 to $197 per template pack. You save them time. They happily pay. Now, here's where it gets interesting. What if instead of selling products, you turned conversations into cash? In the next part, I'll show you how people are making thousands by packaging knowledge, not creating from scratch. Stay with me. Part 2. Turning knowledge into scalable income. Welcome back. If you're serious about how to make money online in 2026, this is where things start scaling. No warehouses, no inventory, just your brain and the internet. Number 4. Selling content packages. Busy professionals want visibility online. They just don't have time. Here's the opportunity. You record a 60-minute conversation with them. That single recording becomes short videos, social media posts, carousel slides. They talk, you package. Revenue potential, $500 to $3,000 per content package. This is huge demand in 2026. Number 5. Offering niche consulting. Forget endless meetings. Modern consulting happens through video calls or even voice messages. You help people with something you've already done successfully. Set boundaries, solve real problems. Revenue potential, $100 to $1,000 per hour. High value, low overhead. Number 6. Running live masterclasses. Ask yourself this: what can you teach for 90 minutes? Writing, speaking, design, finance? People pay for focused learning. Run it live, charge for access. Revenue potential, $29 to $197 per ticket. Teach once, impact many. Now imagine this. What if instead of teaching live every time, you built something once and sold it forever? That's exactly what we'll cover next. Part 3. Automated income streams that work while you sleep. This is where online income gets exciting. This is where how to make money online in 2026 turns into freedom. 7. Building mini courses. Mini courses solve one problem fast. Under 2 hours of content, straight to the point. People love quick wins. Revenue potential, $19 to $97 per course. Create once, sell forever. 8. Affiliate marketing, the smart way. This only works if you're honest. Recommend tools you already use. Show real results. Create tutorials. Think of yourself as part of their marketing team. Revenue potential, $10 to $10,000 per month. Authenticity sells better than ads. 9. Running paid communities. People want connection. A paid community gives accountability, support, direction. You host weekly calls, Members support each other. Revenue potential, $27 to $297 per month per member. Recurring income at its best. Now, what if technology could answer questions for you, sell for you, and work 24/7? The final part might surprise you. Part 4. AI, automation, and the future of how to make money online in 2026. Last but not least, this final part is where everything comes together. Because if you want to understand how to make money online in 2026, you must understand one thing very clearly. AI is not replacing people. AI is replacing repetitive work. And the people who win are the ones who combine human judgment with automation. Let's talk about the most powerful model emerging right now. Building an AI version of yourself. Imagine this for a moment. Every day, people ask you similar questions. How do I start? What tools should I use? What's the best strategy? Where should I focus first? Answering these questions manually eats time. Now, imagine feeding those answers into an AI system trained on your experience, your frameworks, your tone. That AI can respond instantly, 24 hours a day. This is not theory. This is already happening. An AI version of you can answer common questions, act as a lead magnet, qualify serious clients, even sell access to itself. Some creators charge people just to talk to their AI. Revenue potential $9 to $29 per month per subscription. And because it's subscription-based, the income stacks month after month. This is scalable, this is global, and this is perfectly aligned with 2026 behavior. Why this model works so well? Here's the psychology behind it. People don't want to wait. They want instant answers. They want clarity right now. AI provides speed. You provide credibility. That combination is powerful. Instead of answering the same question 50 times, you answer it once and let AI handle the rest. Your time shifts from repetitive tasks to high-value thinking. How this fits into the bigger picture. By now, you've seen something important. All the best ways to make money online in 2026 follow the same pattern. Package what you already know, turn effort into assets, build systems that don't depend on hours. Whether it's digital products, templates, communities, courses, or AI-powered services, the principle stays the same. People pay for shortcuts to results. The biggest mistake most people make. They overthink. They wait until everything is perfect. But online income doesn't reward perfection. It rewards execution. You don't need 10 income streams. You need one that works. Start with one product, one service, one audience. Test small. Listen to feedback, then scale. Final takeaway. Making money online in 2026 is not about chasing trends. It's about recognizing value and packaging it in a way others can use. Your knowledge has weight. Your experience has value. And when you stop consuming and start creating, that's when income follows. Because somewhere out there, someone is searching for the solution you already have. And when they find it, they're willing to pay.